rocks you like a cradle, moves you like a breeze, shines in the distance when you see it through the trees, calls out its arrival, pouring rounds of bed, engineers waving like a long lost friend. Don't know how to explain, there's just something about a train. Each car tells a story, rolling by the crossing gate, endless line of colors, nearly every state. Cold from West Virginia, tall across the land, corn from South Dakota, pickup trucks from Michigan. Don't know how to explain, there's just something about a train, something about a train. The mighty rumble as it passes by, the fading whistle's lonesome farewell cry, the silhouette against the evening sky, vivid memories. There's just something about a train, something about a train. Every engine a reminder of a child's simple time. I knew every story, Casey Jones on number 9. Norman's Muscle Special, Wabash Cannonball. I dreamed I'd be a hobo, so I could ride them all. Don't know how to explain, there's just something about a train, something about a train, something about a train.